Are you a doctor practicing in the country? Did you know that a single lawsuit could potentially ruin your career and financial stability? Professional indemnity and malpractice insurance could be your shield. Let's find out why it's crucial for every medical professional. Hello everyone, I am Jitendra Srivastav, strategist for managing and protecting wealth. Today, we are addressing an essential topic for every medical professional in the country. Why is professional indemnity and malpractice insurance a must for doctors? The healthcare industry is growing rapidly, but so are patients' expectations and legal claims. One small mistake or allegation can result in costly legal battles, expensive compensation claims, harm to your reputation and career. This video will cover what is professional indemnity and malpractice insurance, why it is essential for doctors in the country, key benefits and coverage, real life examples to understand its importance. The video is just overview. For personalized guidance, feel free to DM us anytime. So, what is professional indemnity and malpractice insurance? Professional indemnity insurance protects medical professionals against legal costs and claims made by patients due to negligence or errors. It covers the cost of defending legal actions and any compensation awarded by court. Malpractice insurance is a specialized form of professional indemnity designed specifically for medical practitioners, protects against claims arising from incorrect diagnosis, surgical errors, medical mistakes, or negligence. Why is malpractice insurance essential for doctors? To safeguard doctors from financially crippling lawsuits that could ruin their career, to protect patients' rights and ensure they are compensated in the case of medical negligence. Here is a real fact. Did you know that worldwide medical liability cases are on the rise, especially in high-risk specialty like surgery, obstetrics, and anesthesiology? Key benefits and coverage. Professional indemnity and malpractice insurance offers cover for legal costs like lawyer fees and court expenses, compensation payouts for patient injury, illness, or death caused by medical negligence, covers legal costs if accused of defamation, cyber liability for telemedicine and digital health records, coverage for voluntary medical help. Real life examples. First case, surgical error. A surgeon in the country faced a compensation claim of 1.2 million due to an unintended surgical complication. The malpractice insurance covered the entire amount and protected the doctor's personal finance. Second case, misdiagnosis. An obstetrician was sued for an incorrect parental diagnosis. Legal defense and compensation worth 3 million were fully covered under her professional indemnity insurance. For confidentiality, doctors' names are withheld. But these cases show how unpredictable and costly lawsuits can be, even for skilled doctors. So, key takeaways are no matter how experienced or cautious you are, medical errors can happen. Professional indemnity and malpractice insurance act as a financial safety net. Here is a simple financial quote for you. A good doctor protects lives, but a smart doctor protects lives and their own livelihood. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. I'll see you in the next video.